Hello everyone, what's going on? Kids Rock is here, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Facebook account. So let's get started. So first of all, we go to Google Chrome, and then you go to Facebook website. So we're gonna search Facebook. Usually I just type FB, then it will show up Facebook login or sign up. So it's already here. It's already logged in my Facebook. So from here we're gonna click this drop down arrow, and we will go to settings. Click the settings, and from here we will gonna click your Facebook information. This one. From the last list, it says here's the activation and deletion. So we're gonna click that one, and he will give you two options. If you want to just deactivate your account, or you want to permanently delete your account. So today we're gonna delete this Facebook. So we're gonna choose this one, and then click the continue account deletion. So it will give you again option that if you click this one, you're gonna deactivate your Facebook, your messenger on. But we're not gonna do that. We want to delete totally our Facebook. So I'm gonna click this delete account, and then that's it. You're gonna put your password. Just a minute. Then once you put your password, just click continue, and then they will give you saying you have 30 days to reactivate your account. After 30 days, process is your deletion process will begin. Oh, so they will give you 30 days to reactivate your account. So if you don't want to, for example, in the middle of like 15 days, you want to use your Facebook account, you just need to log in. That's it. So this one is gonna be 0 again. So for me, I want to delete totally my account. So I'm gonna click this one, and then boom, it's done. So your account is scheduled for permanent deletion after 30 days.